Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, a lineup of 10 incredible tools that will make your life a whole lot easier in 2024. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech-savvy homeowner, or just someone who loves gadgets, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Cargo Buckle G3 Retractable Ratchet Tie-Down System offers effortless cargo security. Its push-button release simplifies strap retraction and storage, preventing tangles. Crafted with anti-corrosive materials and a dual safety lock system, it ensures a secure load during transit. Each strap boasts a 3,500 pounds brake strength and 1,167 pounds safe working load limit, ideal for heavy-duty use. The ratchet mechanism allows precise tensioning, while the self-retracting design eliminates excess webbing for a tidy appearance. This pack includes 2 adjustable tie-downs suitable for various vehicles and trailers, accommodating items like ATVs and furniture. With a 2-inch width and adjustable 72-inch length, they offer versatility. Simple assembly is facilitated with included bolts, nuts, and washers. Simplify your cargo transportation with the Cargo Buckle G3 for reliable and convenient security. Number 2. The Cat Premium Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets is designed to keep your vehicle clean and organized with its innovative features. Its waterproof lining ensures no leaks or spills, providing peace of mind while on the road. Engineered from durable water-resistant materials, this trash can is built to last. The bag storage doubles as a hidden compartment for your phone, wallet, and other essentials, maximizing space and convenience. This multi-purpose organizer features convenient side pockets, making it suitable for use as a wastebasket or storage organizer inside your car. Simply hang it behind your seat for easy access to books, mail, baby essentials, makeup, and more. When not in use, the collapsible design allows for easy storage, shrinking down in size effortlessly. The universal fit is achieved with a heavy-duty adjustable buckle, ensuring compatibility with any seat in any car. With a large 2.4-gallon capacity, the Cat Premium Car Trash Can is perfect for keeping your vehicle tidy and clutter-free on all your journeys. Number 3. The Fluke Insulated 5 Screwdriver plus 3-Plier Tools Starter Kit is a comprehensive set designed to meet your electrical and mechanical needs. It includes 3 slotted screwdrivers and 2 Phillips screwdrivers, offering versatility for various tasks. Additionally, the kit features long nose pliers, heavy-duty diagonal cutters, and heavy-duty combination pliers, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. For added convenience, the kit comes with a roll-up tool pouch, allowing for easy storage and portability. Each tool in the kit is forged from German CMV steel, providing exceptional durability and reliability even in demanding work environments. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this starter kit is essential for tackling electrical and mechanical tasks with confidence and precision. With its high-quality construction and comprehensive selection of tools, the Fluke Insulated 5 Screwdriver plus 3-Plier Tools Starter Kit is a must-have for any toolbox. Number 4. The Tang Tools 1/2-inch drive 30 to 150 feet-pound reversible click steel torque wrench is an essential tool for precise tightening and final torque checking. With a 1/2-inch drive and a torque range of 30 to 150 feet-pound, this wrench is versatile and suitable for various applications. Featuring a click mechanism, the wrench emits an audible and tactile click when the preset torque value is reached, providing assurance of accurate tightening. Its reversible ratchet head allows for driving in both directions, and torque is measured in a clockwise direction for convenience. The wrench is equipped with a high-contrast dual scale for easy reading and an angular gauge to quickly add the correct torque and number of degrees. Constructed with durable all-steel materials, it has no plastic parts that could break or wear out, ensuring longevity and reliability. Factory pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy, this torque wrench comes in a practical storage case for convenient storage and transport.
Number 5. The Dynamic 28-piece Insulated tool set is a comprehensive collection of electrical tools tailored for use in the expanding EV market, industrial maintenance, commercial and residential electricians, and mobile technicians. Each tool in this set is insulated and tested to withstand up to 10,000 volt AC, certified to 1,000 volt AC, and complies with the IEC 60900 standard for electrical safety. Included in the set are various insulated tools such as half-an-inch drive 6-point metric insulated sockets ranging from 10 mm to 24 mm, a half-an-inch drive 10-inch long insulated ratchet, insulated extensions, open-end metric insulated wrenches, slotted insulated screwdrivers, Phillips insulated electrical screwdrivers, side cutter, linesman insulated electrical pliers, and long nose insulated pliers. To keep the tools organized and easy to locate, they are neatly stored in 2 foam organizers with size imprinting on socket, wrenches, and screwdriver tool cutouts. The dual color foam, red and black, aids in quickly identifying missing tools and locating needed ones. Furthermore, the lightweight yet durable case ensures easy storage in a toolbox drawer or convenient transportation to the job site. Number 6. The Wera 6004 Joker 4-set 1 self-setting spanner set is a versatile and innovative toolkit designed to simplify your wrenching tasks. This set includes 4 self-setting spanners that automatically adjust to fit nuts and bolts of various sizes and shapes, eliminating the need for multiple wrench sizes. The spanners feature a unique design with a fine-toothed ratchet mechanism that allows for precise and effortless tightening or loosening in tight spaces. Made from high-quality materials, the spanners are durable and built to withstand heavy use. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, plumbing installations, or household maintenance, the Wera 6004 Joker 4-set 1 self-setting spanner set is a reliable and convenient addition to your toolbox. Number 7. The Level Bolt Smart Deadbolt Lock is an innovative solution that transforms your existing lock into a smart lock without altering keys, hardware, or the appearance of your door. Through the Level Home app, available for iOS and Android, users can conveniently lock and unlock their door, as well as share keyless access with trusted individuals. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, the lock can be controlled remotely via voice commands, Siri, automations, and shortcuts. For enhanced security, the Level Bolt features a robust 6-stage stainless steel gearbox, surpassing industry standards. Designed to fit most American standard exterior doors, the Level Bolt ensures compatibility while maintaining existing locks and keys. Prior to installation, users can verify compatibility through the product guides and documents section. Simplify access control and enhance security with the Level Bolt Smart Deadbolt Lock. Number 8. The Shroom Tub Drain Protector Hair Catcher, Strainer, Snare is designed to prevent clogged tub drains by effortlessly catching human or pet hair without disrupting the flow of water. Unlike traditional bathtub hair catcher plugs that go over the drain, Shroom fits neatly inside, collecting and concealing hair around it. It fits any standard 1.5-inch, 1.75-inch tub drain, providing a mess-free solution. Cleanup is quick and easy with this revolutionary tub drain hair catcher. Simply wipe Shroom off and you're good to go. This must-have bathroom accessory saves you money on costly plumber visits and protects the environment by eliminating the need for harsh chemicals that can damage pipes. Drain snakes and liquid drain cleaners are not always effective, making Shroom a practical and eco-friendly choice for keeping your drains clear. Number 9. Ruby sliders are a pack of 8 chair leg sliders designed to protect your hard surface and tile floors from scratching. Manufactured by Bulbhead and seen on TV, these chair covers effectively guard against scratches and scrapes, ensuring your floors remain beautiful. These chair leg protectors silently glide over hard surfaces, eliminating the unpleasant noise caused by chair tips scraping against the floor. They are designed to stretch to fit over furniture legs without the need for adhesive pads or glues, providing a snug and secure fit. With a universal fit, Ruby sliders work with most furniture types, including chairs, tables, couches, and beds. Whether your furniture has square or circular legs, thick or thin, Ruby sliders will accommodate them. Each floor protector features premium nanoweave felt pads attached with industrial-strength adhesive, ensuring they stay in place and provide reliable protection. Additionally, Ruby sliders make moving heavy furniture effortless by allowing bulky pieces to glide across hard surface floors with ease. Number 10. The Shark VMP30 VacMop disposable hard floor vacuum and mop pad refills offer a complete clean in one convenient pad. These refills feature the innovative VacMop pad, which not only vacuums up debris but also locks it away in a built-in dirt chamber, ensuring a thorough clean.
With absorbent mopping layers, these pads effectively tackle stuck-on grime, leaving floors shiny and clean.
The multi-layered design stands up to tough messes, making them suitable for use on all sealed floors, including stone, hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, marble, and linoleum. The no-touch disposal feature eliminates the need to touch dirty pads, maintaining hygiene during cleanup. Additionally, these refills are designed to work specifically with the Shark VacMop cordless vacuum mop, ensuring compatibility and delivering a complete clean every time.